Here we go. So we've got these lines here. We don't end until we get to A is parallel to C. I have A is parallel to B, so we know, you partial credit people, automatically CAP. All right, so don't fight the big picture. I know we all want to get to the end, but let's take the little steps. If we have parallel lines, we know CAP. And I quote, if lines are parallel, then the angles are equal. Out of all these angles, you have to pick two corresponding angles that are on lines A and B. So 9, 10, 11, 12 are not fair game there. And possibly work in 5 or 11. We just said 11 wasn't fair game, so let's work in 5. Okay, so angle 5 is corresponding to angle 1. And that's why I chose to use those. Now I have two bubbles. 5 is in both of those bubbles, so I'm going to use substitution. Can write angle 1 on a sticky note, put it where angle 5 is in the other bubble, and end up with angle 1 is equal to angle 11. It's a little bit longer than you would expect. You need to actually take a look at that. Angle 1 and angle 11. They are not corresponding. All right, so that's another problem. We're stuck. We can't use PLP because 1 and 11 are not corresponding. So no adding up to 180. So if I'm stuck with only one bubble, I'm thinking VAT. Preferably using 1 or 11. So let's use 1. And vertical to angle 1 is angle 3. So VAT says angle 1 and angle 3 are equal to each other. Okay. I am now back to having two bubbles. Both bubbles conveniently have the angle 1 in them, so that's good. So substitution again. So if I put 11 on a sticky note and stick it where 1 is in the second bubble, I will get 11. Angle 11 is equal to angle 3. Then take a look at angle 11 and angle 3. You will notice that they are corresponding because they are both on the bottom of the lines and to the right of the transversal. And I quote, if I have corresponding angles, then the lines are parallel. I quoted PLP. If I have corresponding angles, then the lines are parallel. But what lines, you ask? Well, take a look at angle 11. Angle 11 is on line C, and angle 3 is on line A. So A is parallel to C. Okay, so we had this one here, lines A, B, C, D. We are given that A is parallel to B, so once again, automatic CAP. Now, we have to pick the corresponding angles that are on lines A and B. Here is A, and here is B. 1, we don't have that numbered there. If you want to, you could number it, but let's go up here. So A, which is 4, and B, which is 3. So angle 4 is equal to angle 3. Because they are corresponding on lines A and B. Now I have two bubbles. Both bubbles have angle 3 in it, so substitution. And if I put 1 on a sticky note, put it where 3 is, I will get 4 is equal to, 4 is equal to 3. I was thinking this, if I put 1 on a sticky note, put it where 3 is, that's where I end up. No, I don't. I end up with 1 there. Put 1. There we go. Sticky note. Good. 4 and 1. Where are 4 and 1? 4 is here. 1 is here. So C, D. So C is parallel to D, because they are on that. They are corresponding angles. So PLP says if they are corresponding angles, then the lines are parallel, and 4 and 1 are on C and D.